beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sabina. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fashion, beauty, lifestyle, then please do make sure subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. So today's video, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing that I got something from Celine. This is my first purchase of 2023 and also the first purchase from Celine. So here is a bag, Celine bag. I'm excited about this purchase, and actually the story is that I did not plan to buy anything from Celine. My husband, he is more into Celine right now, and we went to go to purchase some item for him, and then he kind of insisted me to purchase, and then I tried and I liked it. So here it is. So here is the box, and are you guys ready? What I got from Celine? Let's open together. This is inside this dust bag. Here is two dust bags. So you guys already guess what is it. Yes, this is Celine high top sneaker. I told you that I did not plan to purchase this, and we went to go pick up a pair of shoes for my husband, and he insisted me to try on this. And guys, when I try this on, I'm not even lying to you, this feels like you are walking literally, like there is something cushiony things inside. It's just so soft and so comfortable, and I was like, okay then. So my husband, when he bought his Celine shoes, he used to like Dior sneakers, and after he got his first pair of his Celine shoes, he keep wearing his sneakers over and over and over. He used to like Dior, and I asked him, why you keep wearing your Celine only? And he told me that it's so comfortable, you need to try this, it just feels so warm. Right now it's winter, it makes your feet warm and just so comfortable, you need to try this. So he really insisted me, and I'm glad he did, because this is really comfortable shoes, and I like how simple at the same time. It's not too high, like, you know, this is how it looks, and the white goes with everything. And I have a toddler, 1-year-old toddler, and I think this shoes is perfect for my wardrobe right now, because I am always running after him and I'm taking him to the park. My lifestyle totally changed now, like, you know, I'm more into the kids friendly area. He's walking and I'm running after him. So when I tried this on, I just felt like this is the perfect addition to my shoes collections, and this is how it looks. Let me take this out. I don't know what kind of padded they did inside, but when you wear this, it just feels so comfortable. Like, I have so many sneakers from different designer, but I have never tried and never had this, like, you know, cushiony feel kind of sneaker in my collection. So this is the really comfortable. If you have not tried, then I highly recommend you go to the Celine store and try it. You won't regret it. So I like how it is very simple, like, you know, white, and of course there's the black logo back here, and also the same black one on the top here. My size is size 36. I have not bought any designer shoes since I got pregnant, so I was kind of afraid because I gained weight, and then it's a whole story about, like, you know, pregnancy, gaining weight, and after birth, like, and I gained more weight, and it just you know, my feet were kind of like, felt like that it's grown. But I'm now into the weight loss journey, so when I try size 36, it's perfectly fit, and this has this little, like, you know, velcro in the front. But when I tried these shoes, I did not have to take this velcro out. I just, like, you know, loosen up this lace, and it just went inside. And that day actually I was wearing black skirt, and when I wear these shoes and that black skirt, it just looks so perfectly. And that's what I like about these shoes. You can wear with dresses, you know, make it look like little casual, because you are a mom, you know, you cannot wear heels and run after the toddler. At least I cannot do that. And I have seen the mom, they have little babies and they wear these big heels and they walk. I don't know how they can do it. I cannot, like, you know, I'm all about the comfy these days. And so Anyways, this can go with your dress, you know, casually dress, or you can, if you are wearing like, you know, jeans, you can wear this one also with jeans, or even like joggers. This goes perfectly with the joggers. And we are planning to go our first vacation with our baby boy. We are going to take him our favorite place that me and my husband loved that place so much, so we're gonna take him over there. And I was thinking this shoes might be perfect for me to wear in the airport, and you know, just in a plane and for travel. So this is my new Celine shoes, and also it has a little Celine here. You cannot like really see, it's like, you know, white here, Celine. And so this is size 36. Very simple white sneakers. Everybody need, like, you know, at least few pairs of white sneakers in their collections with a different style. I feel like that because it goes with every single thing. So here is my Celine shoes. I like the round toe also, you know, it's just very light, very nice. So let me show you the other one. So here is my first pairs of white Celine sneakers from Celine. I am so excited and I can't wait to wear this and run after my toddlers. So yeah guys, do you guys like Celine, or do you have any experience with these sneakers? Just let me know down in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. I just want to do a quick video before baby wake up. So here is my Celine unboxing, first purchase of 2023. I hope you guys are having fun and start the new year with all positivity and love and happiness. So I'll see you in my next video guys. If you like this video, then make sure you do thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's really helped me to grow my channel, so please do that, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.